Afternoon everyone, it me now Sasi. Look at the bank and then now around the world here do retirement visa process. You need help anything about law system retirement visa, it's me. You have problem, you want to know about document process, how to do retirement visa, how to open bank account, driver license. It me now, I'm here. Everyone, you know how to find me at Rompo Market, Mukata opposite store immigration, and then opposite they have the kitchen, and then that's why you go through there, you will see cafe, you will see mugata, you will see my office there. Well, you know how to find me. You need help and about driver license too. You have problem, you expire many year, 2 year, or you want to learning about drive a car, drive motorbike. Just do about the law, the system here. Just call me. You need to know about how to do that, and then just I invite you, call me. Everyone enjoy, have a nice day on Wednesday. Okay, bye.